Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to download Twitter videos on Android, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to download Twitter videos on Android. In this video, I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Twitter application from your mobile phone. There is no method to directly download videos from Twitter. So you have to go back and open Play Store from your mobile phone. Install the video downloader for Twitter application from Play Store. You can see this is already installed in my mobile phone. Now you have to go back to Twitter. Click on the share icon of the video which you want to download. Here you have to choose copy link option. Now you have to go back and open video downloader for Twitter application. The link will be pasted automatically. Here you can download video according to your desired quality. This is the easy and simple way to download Twitter videos on Android. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.